Deputy Army Chief tell court he was tortured while in detention. Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Well, in this report, we will look at the report from the court that say Deputy Army Chief tell court he was tortured while in detention. If you are new, please make sure you follow and subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel so that you won't miss any other update. Let's look at this. A senior military officer has appeared before a special court in Juba and shared detail about his time in detention. Lieutenant General Gabriel Duop, who served as South Sudan Deputy Chief of Defense Force and is also connected to the SPLMIO military leadership. He told the court that he suffered harsh treatment after his arrest. While giving evidence before the judges, General Duop said he was arrested in March 2025. He explained that after his arrest, he was taken to a military prison where he say he was kept under very difficult conditions. According to his testimony, every chain were placed on his leg and they remained there for a month. He told the court that the chain weighed around 3 kilograms and were locked with padlock. General Duop also said he spent about 7 months inside an underground prison cell in Juba. He described the prison condition as cruel and said they caused both physical pain and emotional suffering. The general said he slept on the floor during his detention. He also claimed that he did not receive enough food. In addition, he said he was denied proper medical treatment even though he suffered from high blood pressure. During his testimony, General Duop said these conditions violate his basic right as a detainee. He told the court that he experienced both physical and psychological suffering throughout his detention. General Duop also spoke about property that was taken when he was arrested. According to his testimony, a security officer seized 2 official military vehicles. He also said several firearms assigned to him, including PKM machines, guns, and AK-47 rifles, were taken during the operation. In addition, according to General Gabriel Duop, he listed mobile phones, pistol, military equipment, personal items, documents, and other belongings that he said were confiscated during the raid. He explained that some of these items were taken to military quarters, while others remain under military intelligence. Well, these claims were presented before the court as part of his testimony. At this stage, the court is hearing evidence from different sides before reaching any final decision. The judge overseeing the case decided to postpone the hearing until the next court session. The court is expected to continue questioning General Gabriel Duop when proceedings resume. This case is one of the most closely watched legal cases in South Sudan because it involved several high-ranking political and military figures. Former First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar remained under house arrest. Several others accused individuals continue to be held in detention while the trial moved forward. The prosecution has accused the defendant of several serious crimes linked to the fighting that happened in Nasser County during March 2025. These charges include murder, conspiracy, terrorism, treason, destruction of public property, and crime against humanity. The prosecution argued that government soldiers were killed and military equipment was either destroyed or captured during the violence. However, all of the defendants have denied the accusation against them. The court will continue hearing evidence before making any final judgment. As in any legal process, the court will consider the evidence presented by both the prosecution and the defense before reaching a decision. Well, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching. Let me meet you on the next video.